Today you will learn how to add this beautiful grain effect in Adobe Illustrator. I welcome you to Easy Guide official YouTube channel. Please support and subscribe the channel. Now let's start the video. First of all, I will draw a rectangle. Fill any color in this rectangle. At this time I am removing the stroke, but I will add the stroke later in this video to resolve an important issue. So watch the complete video. Now make sure the shape is selected. Go to Effect, Texture, Grain. So this grain effect box will appear. Here in this area you can see the preview of your shape. You can choose the different zoom levels. Here I am choosing Fit in View. So you can see the complete shape preview. In this area you can choose different effects. As you can see, grain effect is selected. You can also change the effects here. Increase or decrease the intensity of effect here. You can also change the contrast level here. This is the grain type box. You can choose different type of grains effects here. Regular, soft, sprinkles, clumped, contrasty, enlarged, stippled, horizontal, vertical and speckle. I think enlarge is looking perfect for me. Adjust the intensity and contrast and click OK. So you can see the grain effect is added to the shape. The best thing in Adobe Illustrator is after adding the grain effect, you can still change the color of the shape. You can also edit the grain effect here. Let me change the colors. You can also apply gradient to the shape. Edit the gradient as you want. You can also change the gradient angle here. You can learn the gradient in Adobe Illustrator by clicking I button here. So our shape is ready. Now let's discuss the issues with this grain effect. But I request you to subscribe the channel right now to get the most important graphic design tutorial. Let me add a stroke to the shape. Select a lighter color for stroke. So as you can see, the grain effect is also applied to stroke. For example, if you don't want the grain effect on stroke, what you will do? So let's remove this. Go to Window, then Appearance. Or simply select the shape and click here under this Appearance panel. So this appearance box will appear. Here you can see I have stroke and also fill, and this is the grain effect which is applied to these both. I mean stroke and fill both have this effect. Expand the fill option. Now I will select grain effect and then move this grain effect here under the fill option. Now expand the stroke and you can see the stroke does not have the grain effect. If you move this grain effect under stroke, now you can see fill does not have grain effect, only stroke has grain effect. So you can play around this option. You can also toggle the visibility here. So this was the method to apply grain effect to any shape. You can also add grain effect to the text. Simply select Type tool, increase the font size, choose any typeface you want, adjust the text as you want. Let me place it here in the center. I will choose a green color. Now go to Effect, Texture and Grain. Now adjust the grain effect as I show you in the shape option. I think this is looking perfect. The best thing is you can still change the text easily. So I hope you have learned how to add grain effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. Until next time, keep creating. See you in the next video.